Welcome back to Cars Jade. Today, we're diving into the highly anticipated 2026 Mazda CX-50, a compact SUV that continues to make waves across the US market. Mazda has been on a roll lately, with its vehicles winning the hearts of drivers and critics alike. The CX-50 is no exception, offering a unique combination of rugged adventure capabilities and refined elegance. Before we get into the specifics of the CX-50, let's take a moment to acknowledge Mazda's recent success. In August alone, Mazda North American Operations (MNAO) reported a staggering 37% increase in sales compared to the same month last year, reaching an impressive 41,259 units. This marks the division's best ever August and its second best US sales month in history. The CX-50 played a significant role in this achievement, with best ever deliveries that have significantly boosted Mazda's overall performance. The 2026 Mazda CX-50 continues to embody Mazda's Kodo, soul of motion design philosophy, which focuses on creating vehicles that evoke a sense of movement even at a standstill. The CX-50 is slightly larger than the CX-5, giving it a more commanding presence on the road. With a refreshed look for the 2026 model year, the CX-50 features updated head and taillights, a new treatment for the radiator grille, and subtly upgraded bumper designs. These changes may be subtle, but they enhance the SUV's already striking appearance, making it a true standout in the compact SUV segment. Step inside the 2026 CX-50 and you'll find a cabin that perfectly balances comfort and sophistication. Mazda has always been known for its attention to detail, and the CX-50 is no exception. The interior is spacious with high-quality materials and finishes that create an inviting atmosphere. A new, larger central infotainment screen is one of the key updates for the 2026 model year, providing a more intuitive and enjoyable user experience. Whether you're on a daily commute or a weekend adventure, the CX-50's interior ensures that you and your passengers travel in style and comfort. Mazda's commitment to performance is evident in the 2026 CX-50. The SUV is expected to continue offering the same powertrain options as its predecessor, a 187 2.5-liter engine and a more powerful 256 2.5-liter turbo engine. These engines are paired with Mazda's SkyActiv technology, which optimizes fuel efficiency without sacrificing performance. The CX-50's precise handling and responsive steering make it a joy to drive, whether you're navigating city streets or exploring off-road trails. And with Mazda's iActiv all-wheel drive system, you'll have the confidence to tackle a variety of driving conditions. The 2026 Mazda CX-50 is perfect for those who crave adventure but don't want to compromise on style or comfort. With a starting price of $30,300, the CX-50 offers incredible value, sitting just above the $28,570 Mazda CX-5. As the CX-5 prepares for a new generation, the CX-50 continues to solidify its place as the adventure-ready sibling, appealing to drivers who want a vehicle that can handle both urban and outdoor environments with ease. That wraps up our review of the 2026 Mazda CX-50. If you're looking for a compact SUV that offers a perfect blend of adventure, style, and comfort, the CX-50 should be at the top of your list. Let us know what you think of the new updates in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update from Cars Jade. Until next time, happy driving.